Today we have presentation examination, correct? We have 8 teams. Each team has 3 members, and each member will come here. Each team will come here and give presentation. And the subjects are northeastern states. And the first team is Nagaland, which is going to give presentation on the features of Nagaland. So I invite you to come here and give presentation. Thank you, sir.
Very good morning, sir. Very good morning, all of you. And first of all, I would thankful to sir because he gave me a golden opportunity to represent northeast state. On the stage. Northeast state is a very beautiful state, and northeast state in the northeast state my topic is Nagaland, and Nagaland is a very beautiful state because it is a hill state. In the state many types of lake. And Nagaland is also called a falcon capital of the world because it has a majority word of falcon, and Nagaland is also called also has a 450 approx 450 species of bird. And now I must start. Now I have to show content of my presentation. First I will introduce introduction part of the Nagaland. Second, history of Nagaland. In the history, we will show what is the origin of Nagaland, and what was the condition in the British time. After British time, what was the condition of Nagaland? Third is the government. Present government, and the present government. Who is the present government? Government infrastructure. Fourth is the demographic. Now in the demographics we will show the population and the sex ratio, etc. This show. And the fifth is the geography of Nagaland. Sixth is the tourism, and tourism Nagaland North. As we know, the northeast state also is the tourist place, and Nagaland is also tourist place. And the seventh is economics. Most important thing is the economics of every state, and we will show the economics of Nagaland. And eight is the infrastructure, and infrastructure shows the how is the development of city, a state. Now we start the introduction parts. Introduction. And Nagaland is a hill state. Hill state located in the extreme northern eastern in the India. It is just shared domestic boundaries as well as international boundaries. Nagaland in the international boundaries shared with Myanmar, and the domestic boundaries shared with Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, and sixth is Nagaland became 16th state in the 1st December in the Indian Union. And the Nagaland capital is the Kohima. Nagaland is home to 12 tribes. They also known his district. Now it is the map of Nagaland, and there are 12 state of Nagaland. Mon Longlands, Mokokchung, Swansang, Kifire, Fake, Kohima, etc. is the total 12 district of Nagaland. Now we start Nagaland. First is the origin of name of Nagaland. And the Nagaland name the first time which person give a name of Nagaland. In the Nagaland was first given given by the Ahom in the Assam, and is in neighboring people. They also called Nagaland's people Nagas. But Naga did not like that type of name. They call to all, please don't call me a Naga. Also they can also call me a Naga, tribe. So early Naga history. The first record of Nagaland found in 10th BC century. In the Link's evidence. As we know, the Nagaland is a very beautiful state. It is a hill state, and some people migrated from China. They for live and for agricultural purpose to come in the Nagaland, because the geography is very beautiful, most suitable for crops. They comes in the Nagaland, and in the Aryan times, we saw the Nagas and the Naga and Aryan has a connection with each other. And now we see the Naga under the British. What was the condition of Nagas? The British were never constitute the Nagas only a small piece of land. In the 1820. In the 1820, British attacked on Nagas. They want to occupy the place of Nagas, but they are not success. In the 1836, in British East India Company merged him Assam. With the help of Assam, they attacked on Nagas. Against Nagas burned him a union in the Assam. And this process continuously go forward. British wants to Nagas migrated for in our country for industrial work purpose, but Nagas very ethical. They did not accept that type of works. They start revolution against British, and after the independence. After the independence, Naga have been considered themselves. Naga have never considered themselves part of the India. India in 14 August 1947. Before one day, before one day of independence, Nagaland make a on council, Naga National Council. They demotivate of people to make on country. But our great person is they did not accept that type of work with that type of work of Nagas. They on and 1952. Then 1952 they allowed to make on a state of Nagaland. Make on in 1975 they destroyed the council of Nagaland, Naga National Council, and implement the president's rule. In the Nagaland has 4 times to implement the president's rule. And now we can project a government structure of Nagaland. As we know that our government structure based on 3 keys: first executive, second legislative, third judiciary. And which is executive means governor. And in the Nagaland of present governor is Ram Narayan Ravi. He is the most famous person because they was an IPS officer. They was an IPS officer, and after the work as a crime in the crime branch. Investigation. And the second is chief minister. The chief minister is a nephew Rio. Nephew Rio was the elected of 3 times in the Nagaland. And fourth is the deputy chief minister Y. Burton. And the legislature is the assembly. The assembly of Nagaland is a Nagaland Legislative Assembly, and a speaker is the Viko of Yongsulan. And the deputy speaker is Sri Nagin Longsir. And the total number of member in assembly is 60. And now we can see the judiciary of this state.
Be silent.
The High Court of Nagaland is the Kohima bench, Guwahati High Court. And the Chief Justice is Anjay Lamba. And now demographic in the demographic described to I would like to Gaurav, please.
First, good morning to my respected teachers and my classmates. And give me a golden chance to represent my presentation. So thank you, my son. And come to my topic, demography. We all know that demography is a very important country in the states and something. So Nagaland population is the approx 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs, and distance per 1 kilometer at 190 kilometer. And Nagaland population growth is the first of the state, is the one of the first state. The Nagaland population is low. The per 1 kilometer 0.47%. And sex ratio on 90 93, 931 and 1000. और Nagaland and the population with Hinduism is only for 8% and only for 1% Buddhism relate to approx 8% and Muslim also only for 2.47% and most population on the Nagaland Christians is approx 88%. Geography of Nagaland. Geography of Nagaland is the Nagaland state of forest area and hill stations. Yeah, we are know that forest it also cover monsoon to 10 meters highest and longest 1800 meters and longitude the Nagaland of longitude approx 26% and latitude 94%. Nagaland covered the area 16,590 kilometer square. The Nagaland climate, the monsoon area 2,500 millimeter. Flora and fauna. Nagaland flora and fauna live the 100 species, more than 100 species. Is more than 100 species. About one of the Nagaland is covered tropical and subtropical area. Some nautical animals, the tiger and tiger, Leo, Bengal, the Indian tiger and leopard. Nagaland bird life are the approx 450 live in the Nagaland. So, it's the great hornbillers and is the most beautiful birds. Tourism place. Nagaland tourism place is the very famous in the all of country and the first Naga is a very beautiful hills and Zanebu Lake is a very famous and is the very largest lake. Siloy Lake is a covered as the many areas. Is a monsoon tourist place and Kohima War. So and Kohima is the warrior are the died in this place. Warrior are the died in this place to give respect to make a tourist place. And culture fall to my teammate Soumya.
At first, good morning to all. I am Soumya Kumari. I am the member of Team Nagaland. I will discuss some topic of Nagaland, just like culture, economics, and infrastructure. At first, I will discuss about culture. Nagaland is a land of festival. Nagaland is a land of festival. All the tribes celebrate their festivals with peasantry of color and feast of music. And Nagaland is rich in flora and fauna. Nagaland is referred to as the falcon capital of the world, and many other cultures follow by the Nagaland state, just like dance, sunflower dance, and many foods and dresses, clothes, etc. And major folk dance, butterfly dance, and rice is major diet in Nagaland state. This is the whole culture of the Nagaland state, and other many culture we follow by the Nagaland state. After that, I will discuss about economics agriculture. Nagaland is a suitable climate for agriculture and horticulture produce. Agriculture and horticulture produce, and we see in this graph the agriculture production crop 2018 to 19, fruits 115 to 34. This is the whole graph in economics agriculture. As of 2018, Nagaland has 46 species of bamboo. Bamboo plantation is very important for economic development. Nagaland government created a Nagaland Bamboo Development Agency, which increased the business and other sectors. Nagaland economics also based on hydropower, handloom product and hydropower project, and other natural resources just like mineral and petroleum, and tourist place is increase the economic system of Nagaland. In this graph, that graph discussed by my teammate Ankit.
My teammate Soumya discussed about the economics I would like to the graph GDP discussed before the involvement in the economics of agriculture and the other sectors. As we know that the Nagaland is geography is very suitable for the crops. In this state produce many crops like fruit, vegetable species, and plantation crops and the agriculture accounts for the economic development is the 27.4%. It is the very majority involvement in the agriculture of to increase the economic, and we can see in the graph in the data of agriculture. In the fruits produce 315.34 tons in area of 33.94 hectares. And the vegetable production 50.87 tons. In the 41.11 hectares, species also produce 58.79 tons in 9.96 hectares, and the plantation crops is the 10.24 tons in the area of 2.17 hectares. In this crops are also useful for develop economics, and economics is the economics to increase develop and increase the economics. The bamboo trees also be hand, because as we know that bamboo has used to many products like papers. All papers made by the bamboos, and Nagaland government may make an agency to develop bamboos to in the sense of industries, and we can see the fund allotted in the bamboo mission. In 2013 to 14, highest fund invest on the bamboo plantation, and in the 2016 and 17 lowest invest on bamboos, because on that time maintain of bamboo plantation, and our Nagaland economics also based on the handloom product. The handloom product like a sweater, mats. They are export in the our international country like in the Myanmar, and Nagaland has a power project, natural resource, and the tourist place has also big hand to produce to increase the economy. Now we can see the GDP of annual GDP of Nagaland, and in the 1 year. 1 year the Nagaland economy is a 0.27 trillion in rupees, and in US dollar 3.81 billion. And the Nagaland GDP increased in 8 years, 2011 and 12 to 2018-19, 11.83%. It is very good for economy of Nagaland. And the social infrastructure. The social infrastructure will describe Soumya.
Social infrastructure education. Nagaland is a small state in India which increase in literacy rate, and free education and compulsory education is up to 14 years, that means mandatory education. Most of the schools of Nagaland is affiliated of NBSC, it means Nagaland Board School Education, and its literacy rate is 80.11%, and the male literacy rate is 83.29%, and female literacy rate is 76.69%. And as of 2018, Nagaland has 5 university and 66 colleges, and also Nagaland has two industrial training centers. And after that, social infrastructure health. In December 2019, the state had a total 758 healthcare facilities in Nagaland. We see in a graph in infrastructure as of December 2019, sub-centers, primary health centers, and district hospitals. And second graph, health indicators, birth rate 14.0 and death rate 4.5, infant mortality rate is 12, and community participation in healthcare service had led to betterment of health and in Nagaland. And all the physical infrastructure discussed by my teammate.
We saw the social infrastructure in of Nagaland. Very good infrastructure of social infrastructure of Nagaland. And after that we will discuss about the physical infrastructure. In the physical infrastructure, first is the roadways. The roadways of Nagaland is very good, and as of March 2019, Nagaland has a 1548 kilometers national highway, and the state highway is 1120 to 29 kilometers. And Nagaland has a railway facility, and the railway station at Dimapur. Dimapur connected with the rest of country via Assam. Now we can see the data of road length of Nagaland. And around 88 kilometer of the Dimapur to Kohima railway project is in the planning stage. And we see the airway. It is the physical part of the physical infrastructure. And Nagaland has one airport to the travel, and we can see the graph of passenger traffic of Nagaland. And second airport is in planning it in Kohima. And we can see power, physical power station. The as of February 2020, Nagaland had a total installed generation capacity is 174.53 megawatts, which 142.84 megawatt was the central sector to take a central sectors. At 30.67 megawatt was a state and the private account is 1.0 megawatt. And installed power capacity in the mean megawatt, we can see in the graph. In 2011, to start increase the megawatt of megawatt to power station. And in present time, energy requirement in the state of 2019 to 20 reached for 687 mega unit as of January 2020. We can see the physical infrastructure in the telecom. According to Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, the Northeast had a 12.11 million wireless widely subscribes as of December. And we can see the telecom infrastructure with the help of data. Industrial infrastructure. Industrial infrastructure. Nagaland trading center with the Myanmar, and Nagaland has a power station and handloom industries, and the state has a considerable of natural resources, and Nagaland has a on committee to develop industry infrastructure. They work through the Nagaland to develop cities and all other sectors. That's all. Thank you. And I would like to conclude my topic. Nagaland. When I visit Nagaland is very beautiful and very laborious state in the all other countries. In the starting, Nagaland has no infrastructure. Now we can present time in the Nagaland is very big infrastructure and very good facilities of education, health sector, roadway, railway, airport, etc. And we talk about agriculture. Agriculture is a very good condition in this state. Nagaland produces many types of crops. We talk about the mammals and the birds. They migrate of many birds. And thank you.
Interrogative question. Be silent in the class. Yes, sir. Okay, coming to you again.
Yes, sir.
Tell me why the literacy rate of Nagaland is good as compared to the other states of northern India.
First of all, the government of Nagaland works on education and good in the way. Nagaland people are very laborious, and we can see the history of Nagaland. Nagaland has nothing. In present time, Nagaland has many infrastructure, and Nagaland is a very laborious. Nagaland people is a very laborious in his own work, main fact of literacy is to hide the infrastructure and the culture of Nagaland. Nagaland government works of any department with the make a agency to develop of any department. Now we can see the industrial development to make a special agency to increase the bamboo plantation, to make a agency, and we can see the history of Nagaland to to save our state to make a own council. So we can see we can say the Nagaland has a main fact of to increase literacy, has to make a good infra to provide a student good infrastructure and a good culture of a student.
You want to come here? You tell me what is the importance of bamboo in Nagaland?
Bamboo is very important for Nagaland. Bamboo also used for agriculture and used many industrial area and make a paper, anything.
Soumya, come here.
Why Nagaland is known as land of festivals? Because in Nagaland many festivals are celebrated by the peasantry of color and feast of music and Nagaland is referred to as the Falcon capital of the world. And any type of festival will celebrate very happily and
Okay. You can